Now that you've validated your niche, it's time to position your brand in a way that communicates confidence, credibility, and clarity. Because here's the deal: people don't hire the best designer, they hire the one who seems like the most obvious choice. That's what strong positioning does. In this lesson, we'll break down exactly how to position your brand so you attract high quality clients who see you as a specialist, not a commodity. What is positioning? Positioning is how your business is perceived in the mind of your ideal client. It answers three core questions. 1. Who is this for? 2. What problem does it solve? 3. Why should I trust this person to solve it? If your branding, messaging, and offers can answer those questions clearly, you're already ahead of 90% of the market. Step 1. Get specific with your headline. The first thing a visitor sees on your website should say exactly who you help and how. Here's a weak headline: I design websites for small businesses. Here's a strong one: I help real estate agents grow their sales with clean, conversion-focused websites. See the difference? One is vague, the other is laser-focused and benefit-driven. Step 2. Own your niche. Don't bury your niche, lead with it. Include your target audience in your bio, social profiles, and elevator pitch. You want your name to be associated with your industry. When someone says, I need a website for my therapy practice, you want someone else to respond, you should talk to your name. They specialize in that. That's how referrals work. Clear positioning fuels them. Step 3. Build social proof. Authority isn't just what you say, it's what others say about you. Even if you're just getting started, you can build credibility fast. Include testimonials from early clients. Show before and after screenshots of sites you've improved. Highlight industry-specific knowledge in your content. Share mini case studies or wins, even small ones. This shows potential clients: I've done this before and I can do it for you. Step 4. Speak their language. Your messaging should reflect your niche's pain points and goals. What are they struggling with? What do they dream about? What terms or phrases do they use? You want your website and marketing to feel like it was made for them. That's what makes someone say, yes, this is exactly what I've been looking for. Step 5. Show your face and voice. People trust people. Add a professional photo of yourself. Record a short intro video if you're comfortable. Let your audience see the human behind the brand. You're not just a designer, they're hiring someone to trust with their business. Positioning isn't about being flashy, it's about being clear, consistent, and confident in the value you bring. Once your brand is positioned with authority, you'll attract better fit leads, close clients faster, and raise your rates with ease. In the next lesson, we'll make sure your business is set up right from the start: legal structure, contracts, proposals, and more. Let's go from pro in practice to pro on paper.